What if you could bring Olive Garden's rich, comforting meatball Parmigiana right into your own kitchen? These tender, cheesy meatballs taste just like the restaurant classic. Now let's walk through how to make them. We're going to combine milk, granulated garlic, onion powder, give this a quick whisk. We're going to add in ground chuck, plain breadcrumbs, egg, Italian seasoning, dried parsley, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper. And then we are going to give these a stir, and then we are going to let them rest for a little bit before we put them into 1-inch balls, and we will bake these in the oven. Now let's make our marinara. We're going to saute some garlic chunks in oil and then pull those out. We're going to add tomato puree, diced tomatoes, Italian seasoning, dried basil, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper. And then we're going to let this cook up for a little bit. Now, if you think this tastes a little acidic, add a little bit of sugar. Now we're going to bake this to perfection. We're going to put in sauce, meatballs, Italian blend cheese. Then we're going to toast some breadcrumbs with a little bit of butter, so we have a nice little element of crunch. And there you go. This is Italian comfort at its best. Tender, saucy, cheesy perfection. Save this recipe. And hey, if you want more Copycat recipes, why not come to copycat.com?